Hello, you are welcome to my channel once again. Please, if it is your first time to come across my channel, do me well to subscribe to our channel. Also, I know because you are here is because you need to turn silent mode off from your phone. So I have made this video to help you turn it off. So whether you are using Itel, whether you're using Infinix, whether you're using Tecno, whether you're using any kind of Android, so long as it is SOS or any kind of Android, this video will help you to remove it. So watch this video to the end and make sure you comment in the comment section so that I will hear what you think about the video, whether it helped you or not. And stay with me, don't turn it off and don't leave this video until you finish watching it. Tell me at the comment section whether this video helped you or whether you need any other help so that I can still support you in order to make your phone work perfectly for you and you enjoy the success of your phone. So if you have done that, settle down and let us dive into the video. Let us go. So when your phone is on, just as my own is now you go to A to Z. In some phones it will not write A to Z, it will just be the kind of word sliding on your screen. Then you slide up like this on your screen. When your phone slide up this way, then you go to phone settings, look for the settings app, scroll down until you see it. Now this is the settings. You're seeing here rise first and you're seeing settings. Click on settings, allow it to open. You are seeing as it is on my screen now. Don't rush, just calm yourself down so that you will know how to fix it by yourself. You don't need to rush it. So as you are seeing on my phone, you are seeing my phone, you are seeing network and internet, you are seeing connected devices, you are seeing apps and notifications, you are seeing app updates, you are seeing battery, you are seeing display, you are seeing screen navigation, you are seeing Teams and lock screen, you are seeing sound, you are seeing storage, you are seeing privacy, you are seeing location, you are seeing security, you are seeing accounts, smart panel, social tumbo, you are seeing social and gesture, action and gesture, you are seeing game mode, you are seeing accessibility, you are seeing digital well-being and parental controls, you are seeing Google, you are seeing XOS Lab, and you are seeing system. On your phone you may not see this XOS because the Android you're using might be different from the one I'm using too. So now go back to action, go back to sound. Click sound here. You're seeing it here on sound. You're seeing media volume, you're seeing call volume, you're seeing alarm volume, and you're seeing ringing volume. Remember, what we are talking about is how to remove your phone from silent mode. Now click ringing volume, you volume it like this. You see it have ring now to show that it is no longer on silent mode. Now if I want it to go back to silent mode, I will just scroll the button down. It has entered on silent mode or vibration. So anybody that calls me now, the phone will just vibrate, but it will not ring out. So that is how it is. If you don't want to remove it through this way, then you go back. Let us go back now so that I will show you another way of doing it. Now scroll your phone back, scroll it back, go to phone. When you go to phone like this, you are seeing it here, you are seeing it here, you are seeing what is here. Now if you did not see it here on my phone, you go back. If you did not see it there, go back. What you will do now is to use your volume button to press it as it is now. When the volume button turns on like this, you click it as it is now. Just remove it. You see it now. It is no longer on silent, it is no longer on vibration. It will just ring out now when I have call. So if you want to take it back, you still click that volume. You click this ringing head that you're seeing here. It is on vibration now. Time to put it on silent, you click it again. It will enter on silent because I'll put it. I'll cancel it. Now to remove it from silent, you have to click it like this. Now the bell is now free, which means that it can ring out when anybody call me. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to do me one thing. Just click the like button, subscribe to this channel, and share this video so that it will also help other people. The same way you're looking for help is the same way other people might be looking. So share this video to all the social media handle, be it on Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram, and other social media, or you share it to your friends and family so that it will also help them. You know, we spread love by helping other people. So once again, thank you for watching this video, and do check other videos we have on our channel. In case you need any other thing, we have our website, which you will find at the description of this video. You will see our website link, our blog link, at the description of this video. So God bless you. Don't forget I said you should subscribe. Thanks.